Sometime tomorrow, LA County may announce guidelines in which nail salons, tattoo parlors, and health spas may reopen as early as Friday. That despite the fact there was a record number of new positive cases for the virus in the last 24 hours.
Today we're reporting 2,129 new cases. A portion of this large increase is due to a large backlog of about 600 test results.
But even with that, it still begs the question, is this the beginning of a spike, of a surge in new positive cases because of all the protests that started 3 weeks ago?
Unfortunately, it's going to take us a while to sort out what we do know. It's very difficult with any crowd situation for us to actually know whether or not you had an exposure in that crowd or somewhere else. But as of right now, we don't have any outbreaks associated with protesters. And we'll definitely keep people posted if we see that there's a reason for us to be notifying the public.
More than 77,000 positive cases now in the county. And we were told today if there is a surge or a spike, the county's ready for it.
The number of available beds across the county, the number of ventilators continues to be adequate.
And then Dr. Christina Galley clarified what she called 5 myths about fighting this virus. Myth number 1, the increase in cases, it's the testing, not the spread.
This is not true. The virus is spreading, and that's seen in the R still being at or slightly greater than 1.
Myth 2, it's the number of new cases and not the hospitalization rate.
It's more helpful to focus on the number of new patients who are requiring hospitalization every day. The county's model focuses on just this point.
Myth number 3, reopening means spread is under control. It's not, but
Safer at home is a very crude measure, and we all experience that. It is not a sustainable path forward.
and that's why the reopenings. Myth number 4, all an overreaction. This is just like the flu.
During mid-April, the counted deaths for COVID-19 in the United States were 15,000 per week. During a typical peak week of seasonal influenza, the counted deaths are more like 750.
And myth number 5, mask and measures won't help.
This is absolutely not true. We've learned that simple cloth face coverings that cover your nose and your mouth, along with keeping your distance from others, is very effective.
Separating fact from fiction as we get closer to entering month number 4 in fighting this virus. From downtown Los Angeles, Dave Lopez, KCON 9 News.